Hello, my dear students and viewers. I am SM Kamrujaman before you. Welcome all of you to my online class. The class number is 9. Today I am going to discuss the use of article part 3. I have already taken 2 classes on article. This is my third class on article. My third class about article. Today I am going to discuss rule number 7. Rule number 7. If any abbreviated word pronounced as vowel sound, in that case we have to use an before the first abbreviated letter. But if it pronounced as consonant sound, we have to use a before the abbreviated letter. But in case of any country's name or any renowned organization's name, we have to use article the. From this rule number 7, we can say that we have to article an before the abbreviated letter sound is like vowel sound. In this case we have to use article an, but if the abbreviated letter sound is like consonant letter, we have to use article a. And the abbreviation form of any country's name or abbreviation form of any or in organization's name, we have to article the. For example, we can say that example 1, Mizan is an LLB. Here LLB is abbreviated from the full name of LLB is Bachelor of Law. The full name is Bachelor of Law. In abbreviated form, we use it LLB. Here, the abbreviated letter L, it sounds like vowel letter. When you will pronounce consonant letter L, its sound will be like vowel letter L. When you will pronounce L, a vowel letter comes before the consonant letter. L, A, L, A, L, A, L. When you will pronounce L, vowel sound comes before the consonant letter L. So, we have to use article an. Though L is consonant letter, but we have to use article an before the consonant letter due to pronunciation. In general, we know before consonant letter we have to use a, and in general before vowel letter we use article an. But LLB is abbreviated and L pronounced like vowel sound. When you will use L, vowel sound comes first. For this reason, we have to use N before the abbreviated letter L. Second sentence, Abu Bakr is MBBS. Here, MBBS is abbreviated word. The full name of abbreviated letter MBBS is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. In brief, or in abbreviated form, we use MBBS instead of full name Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. And in the abbreviated word, MBBS is abbreviated word. Abbreviated word. MBBS is abbreviated word. MBBS is an abbreviated word. The first letter of the abbreviated word is M. And when you use consonant letter M, before consonant letter M comes vowel sound. Comes vowel sound. M, A, M, A, M. As here, M is pronounced like vowel sound. For this reason, we have to use N. Though M is consonant letter, but we have to use article N before M due to the pronunciation, due to vowel sound. We have to use N. Example 3. Habib is an MP. MP is abbreviated word. MP is abbreviated word. The full meaning of the abbreviated word MP is Member of Parliament. The member of Parliament has been used here in abbreviated form. And the first letter of the abbreviated form MP is M. And M is consonant letter, but it pronounced like vowel sound. For this reason, we have to use article N. MP, AP, A comes before consonant letter M. When you pronounce M, vowel sound comes before the word. For this reason, we have to use article N, though M letter is consonant, but use N because of pronunciation. Example 4. Rakib is an ACC examinee. ACC is abbreviated word. ACC is abbreviated word. Its full meaning is Higher Secondary Certificate. Higher Secondary Certificate. In the abbreviated word, the first letter is H. And when you use H letter, when you pronounce H letter, is consonant letter, a vowel letter comes first. A is vowel letter comes first before the consonant letter H. As H is pronounced like vowel letter, or vowel letter comes before when you use consonant letter H. For this reason, we have to use N. Example 5. Imran is an MA. MA is an abbreviated word. The full meaning of MA is Master of Arts. MA is abbreviated word. The first letter is M. When you use M, AM. When you pronounce M, consonant letter M, vowel sound comes first. For this reason, you have to use N before the consonant letter M. As the consonant letter is pronounced like vowel sound. For this reason, we have to use N. Rule number 6. Mirror is a BA. Here BA is abbreviated word. BA is an abbreviated word, and the first letter of the abbreviated word is B. BA. Here there is no vowel sound comes before the consonant letter B. B is pronounced as consonant letter, or B is pronounced like consonant sound. For this reason, we have to use article A. Example 7. Hassan is a JAC examinee. JAC. When you pronounce consonant letter J, you do not get any vowel sound before the word. J is not pronounced like vowel sound or vowel letter. For this reason, we have to use A before JC. Though JC is an abbreviated word, the full meaning of JC is Junior School Certificate, and first letter is J, and it pronounced like consonant letter, consonant sound, and there is no vowel sound comes before the word. J is pronounced not vowel sound. J is pronounced like consonant letter, consonant sound. For this reason, we have to article A. Example 8. Hilal went to the USA. Went to the USA. USA is an abbreviated word, brief form of any full name. USA. It is a name of a country. The full name of the country is United States of America. In the abbreviated word, the first letter is U. But when you will get or you will see any abbreviated word and first letter sounds like vowel, you have to use an. But if any abbreviated first letter is consonant, you use A. But if you see any abbreviated name of a country or any renowned organization's name, in that case you have to use article D instead of A or N. Example 9. Samrat will go to UK. Is an abbreviated word UK, and UK, it is a name of a country. And we know that if any country's name of any country's abbreviation form or any renowned organization, in that case, if we get any abbreviation form, we have to use article D. UK, United Kingdom. UK is abbreviated word. Its full name is Kingdom. As UK is an abbreviated name of a country, for this reason we have to use article D. Example 10. The UNICEF is an organization of the UN. Here, UNICEF is abbreviated word. UN is also abbreviated word. But this abbreviated word is a renowned organization, and it indicates the abbreviation form of renowned organization. For this reason, we have to use article D. UNICEF is abbreviated word. Its full name is United Nations Children's Emergency Fund. Emergency Fund. And USA, the UN is also abbreviated name of a renowned international organization, and for this reason we have to use article D. So rule number 7, we can say that when you get any word and that word's abbreviation form has been used in brief form or in abbreviated form, you have to use article N if it pronounces vowel sound or any vowel sound comes before the word, you have to use article N. But if any abbreviation forms, if you see any abbreviation word and when you utter the first letter of the abbreviation word and it pronounces consonant letter or it pronounces consonant sound, in that case you have to use article A. But if you see any abbreviation name of a country or any renowned organization or international organizations abbreviation form, if you see, you have to use the. So, in brief, we can say that if any abbreviation word pronounced as vowel sound, in that case, we have to use an before the first abbreviated letter. But if it pronounced as consonant sound, we have to use a before the abbreviated letter. But in case of any country's name, in case of any country's name or any renowned name or any international organization's names abbreviation form, we have to use article the.